Hi guys, today we're going to do a DIY face mask. I'm doing this because I've had a little bit of irritation on my skin from a product I used. So obviously I'm allergic to it. I do know exactly what product because I did a couple patch tests on my skin to see which one it was. So thankfully I do know. And I love aloe vera. Aloe vera is my go-to. Aloe vera has many health benefits. Great benefits for skin. It's really good for burns or irritation or redness. Raw honey has many benefits. But we are going to make a really quick DIY face mask. It's not too hard. So let's get started. Okay, so sorry guys, I don't have my cutting board. I cannot find it. Like, I feel like it just gets up and leaves some days. It's irritating, but I can't find my cutting board right now. So we're just gonna get started. What I'm gonna do is cut. I would say you wanna get a nice chunk of the middle. So I'm gonna cut the middle, or I'm sorry, cut down at the end. I wanna get that white part off. Really easy to cut through. You see that? Those juices are really good. I love it. You can literally just stop the steps right here and wipe this on your face. But we're gonna just make a mask so that I have it for the rest of the day. Let's peel this, well, we don't really need to peel it off because we're not using the skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the ends. Sorry. Aloe vera. Some people actually grow these in their yard. I feel like that would be a really good idea. So eventually I want to do that because aloe vera just is awesome. Alright, so there we have it. Now you're just going to take it, and you want to be very careful, but you want to kind of get a very thin layer underneath and cut through that. I'm so sorry this is not, please be more careful than I am. Okay, so there we go. So now you can literally take a spoon if you want to, if that's easier and safer. Okay. So you can literally take a spoon if you want to, if that's easier and safer, and scoop. So I'm going to take that layer. Look at all that getting on my, and we're just going to scoop that out, you know? I want to get a nice amount so that I can do this mask a lot because I want to get rid of the irritation on my skin. Now I've done this before a couple years back when I did have another reaction to something else, but it works perfectly. You should give yourself at least, you know, a couple days until you see results. But you should honestly feel the results right away. The irritation will stop. For me, it always does right away. So as you can see, that's already very liquidy. But you know, if you want to make it more liquid, you can. More liquidy, you can. Most people blend it up a little. So that's what I'm going to do actually. Okay guys, so I did clean up my workspace a little. But here it is. It's already pretty liquidy, but it still has some chunks in there. And I just want to make it all liquid, so I'm going to blend this up really quick. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did blend that up. It's pretty frothy. And now we're going to do our spoonful of honey. And you want to really mix that in there. You can blend it if you want to really get an equal mix. Alright, right underneath that froth you can see that kind of brownish color that's coming through because the honey is mixed in there. That's our mask we're going to use. I would like it to stay in this form because I'm just going to put it all over my face. You can do a face mask where you soak a towelette inside and put it over your face, but I really want to just, you know, have this directly on my face. And I'm also going to do my facial steamer with it so it can really get deep down into those, you know, those irritated spots. Hi guys, so we completed our mask and now we're just going to apply it. So I have it right behind me. I'm just going to take, I let it sit for a little and it got like a little bit thicker. Not a lot thicker, but so here it is. That's our mask. You see that color? That means the honey is definitely mixed in. So we're just going to take 2 fingers and apply everywhere. It's really gooey because that's how aloe vera is. So I don't know if you heard before, but if I said it before or not, but I am doing this because I had a little bit of irritation going on with my skin. And I just think it's always healthy to take a little bit of a break from makeup and take care of your skin. It's so important, especially when the seasons change. You know what I mean? Different kind of air, you know, it gets colder, goes from hot to cold. It's very important to take care of your skin first. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna get it everywhere. And my steamer, my facial steamer is heating up. So I don't know if you can see some of the smoke, but my facial steamer is heating up because I want to wear this while I'm doing my facial steamer. I need to start sleeping with or have a humidifier going in my house. Very important that I do that because my face in the winter is weird. It just gets really dry. But I am going to get some, just be careful, but I am going to get some on my eyelid because that's where I'm seeing a lot of irritation and feeling a lot of irritation. Sorry. On both lids. Alright, now that we did that, I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes. That should be enough, and we're going to use that facial steamer and let that really soak in. This is so important. Taking care of your skin is so important. I know we all love makeup and everything makeup, but making sure that your skin underneath not only feels good, but looks good. I know I used to have eczema when I was a kid and it was really bad. Very itchy, very dry spots. So this is just like a really cheap DIY that you can try at home. So I'm going to let this sit on my face for 20 minutes with the facial steamer going, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so there you have it. I finished, I just wiped it off. Okay guys, so there you have it. I just wiped it off and I really feel no irritation right now. It feels really good. So I'm just going to let my face kind of rest for maybe a couple days, maybe a week. I'm not sure, but I do have somewhere to go. So maybe just a couple days. I have somewhere to go later in this week, but I really hope you guys, this works for you. If you got to do a couple tweaks, maybe you can, but I really hope this works for you because we all need something where it's a little cheap sometimes. We all can't, you know, always be purchasing expensive facial care, though that would be lovely. But guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. That'll be wonderful. Thank you so much. And if you really enjoy this recipe, this DIY face mask, it's really simple. It's just honey and aloe vera. Make sure you like this video. Check out some of my other videos. I do tell in another video where I get my facial steamer from and how much it costs. And have a great one. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.